Hello, fam. Ever heard of mocktail? No, I mean high performance mocktail. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go about it. Here are my ingredients. I have dates just right by the side. I've soaked it for quite a while now, for some hours. So that is tiger nuts over there. Washing it, make sure you wash it properly with salt and water. And the third ingredients is coconut, then banana. These four ingredients is gonna give us something spectacular. So we'll start by putting it into the blender. Okay. The first ingredient, the tiger nuts, is already washed and into the blender. Secondly, I'm going to be putting the coconut now. And while doing that, you must cut it into very tiny bits so that everything can blend properly. Okay. Done with the cuttings. Now next I'll be putting some bananas into it. So depending on the quantity of the juice you're making or mocktail you're gonna make, you're just going to gauge it up. For this I used 2 to 3 pieces of bananas. Okay, and that gave it amazing flavor. Banana flavor is so good. So guys, the last but not the least, going to be putting the sweetener, natural sweetener, date. So it is a very hard fruit. I allowed it for a long time into the water. In fact, I used hot water to soak it. So before putting it into the blender, note you must open it up and remove the hard seed. Date seed is the hardest seed ever, the hardest seed on planet Earth. Yeah, you can go on and quote me wrong if you think that this statement is not true. Tell us in the comment section if you think there, or if you've seen or believe or heard of any other seed that is stronger than date seed. Go on and share with us. It's free. Air your view in the comment section. Guys, let me know what you think about this video already in the comment section. And please, as we are moving, if you've not clicked the like button, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? So guys, click that like button and support your girl. It shows that at least I am doing something, and I believe you will like this video. And if you should try this recipe, trust me, you're going to come back to this channel for more, because this is indeed a high performance one. Okay, now once you're done, you can use ice to blend up or a very cold water if you're going to be taking it now. So I used a very cold water to do that, and there we go. Ooh. Blending, 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 blending. You have to give your blender time. If you have to allow it for some time to, to chill before you continue, you have to, because these ingredients must be crushed to the barest minimum. Okay, it's not just something you put into the blender and bring out roughly. No, you must blend it properly to bring out the juices from each and every one of them. Okay, especially the coconut, the tiger nut, and even the date. These hard ones, they need proper time to blend up well, so you give it that time to blend. And that's just it. Okay, there's no rocket science here, but trust me, by the time you bring it out, bring it down and sift it, you get the amazing results. Just give it a taste, then you know what I'm talking about. The third process, right? The third process. At this point, you must wash your hand with salt and hot water if possible, because you must maintain that personal hygiene. No long nails. No long nails. So, you see, I need to use my hands, bare hands, to do this. Okay. I don't have gloves. Pardon me. So, that notwithstanding, my hands properly washed, I have to squeeze out the juice. As properly as that. And there we go. Here is the shaft, which I'm still going to use for something spectacular. So please click on that red button if you're watching from YouTube, so that you can subscribe, because more amazing content is coming your way. Now I'm just going to go ahead to put into the bottle or the glass that I'm going to use to serve it for my enjoying pleasure, or my drinking pleasure. Okay, for my drinking pleasure. Then the remaining, you put it into cans or jar, whatever you got. Close it up, put it in the fridge, let it be chilling there, period. Let me know what you think about this video generally. Okay, feel free to make your comments and endeavor to share the video as well. Share to everybody. Show me love by liking this video. It is done and dusted. Here is the final outcome. I'm just going to give it a taste. Let's gulp it down now, but not without lemon. Lemon is everything. Lemon is flavor. Lemon is life. Lemon, we go. I just deceived it a bit. Put in the straw. Just a touch of lemon. makes a difference. So go for it. This is not your regular juice. This mocktail is very good for the body. It improves your kids' mental health and even improves libido. Okay, so what more can I say? We're done. Oh, this is good. Serve with your meal, favorite meal, and enjoy. Until next time, what can I say? Bye.